Hi everyone, and welcome to this short video where I'll show you how to convert numbers into Roman numerals in Excel. To do this, we're going to use the Roman function. This function consists of two parameters, number and form. The number can be any number between 1 and 3,999. The form parameter is optional, but can be used to change the format of the Roman numbers. To use the Roman function for our list, we're going to type equals Roman, and all you need to do is select the number, because as mentioned earlier, the form parameter is optional. As you can see, this automatically converts the number 1 into the Roman numeral. When we drag this formula down, it applies it to the remaining cells. You may be wondering, what if we want to convert it back into traditional format? You can use the Arabic function for this purpose. As you can see, this has converted all the numerals back. So that's how you can convert numbers into Roman numerals in Excel. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to the Excel Hub for weekly Excel tutorials, techniques, and examples.